Soar is honestly a great way for students to get a little feel of what SVSU is like. They come here for the whole day, they get to plan out their winter schedule while also attending sessions from student wellness to student life sessions and getting involved on campus.
The students will go through a reg lab where they register for their winter classes. They're already pre-registered for fall. And I'm basically just there to help them out to make sure that they get all the classes that they need for that year, especially their general education requirements. And if they have any questions, I'm just there to help ease those worries.
Basically, we help students to know, let them know about the resources on campus. We help them make the most out of their college life.
Well, the food here is like amazing, and I really like the dorms and like just like the environment on campus. It's like you're like feel welcomed, and I really like that.
I feel more prepared now just because I kind of know what I'm getting myself into. Having the orientation leaders reassure me that you're gonna be okay. I have all these resources at SVSU that I'm gonna be able to use throughout my freshman year.
I honestly wasn't expecting this big of a campus. It's a lot bigger than I remembered. My friends are supposed to be my roommates, so that's going to be fun. It's going to be a little piece of independence, but I'm also excited to start my classes, you know. And overall, it was just really fun to be here.
Probably meeting new people, getting new friends, getting to know people that are interested in the same stuff I am, and then getting my group together.
No matter what, you're going to find a friend somewhere. I just try to tell them that as well. I'm like, no matter what, you're going to find someone, so take a deep breath and you can do this.